Uh, all right, ma'am. Now I want to move to the next part of the day where I want to talk about do's and don'ts of the YMBA. One
Wow.
thing which I did the wrong. I did wrong. They asked me why MBA. Have you shown? Matlab, I want to learn the skill set. All this gyan diya. And then I said, okay, sir, there was no learning in my company today. So they asked me very working. So sir, I work for IT company. You can see that there is no improvement. There is no chances to show your innovation. Nothing required. That's why I want to go my MBA. And I think I killed my chances. Any chances of getting selection there only. No one is going to give you chances. You have to create your chances. Fine. First of all, never demean others to show that you are good. And that's exactly what politicians are doing. Every politician is trying to blame the other politician. ठीक है, especially everybody is after Mr. Modi. ये मोदी बेकार है, मोदी अरे तुम अपनी अच्छाइयां गिनाओ ना. By saying Modi बेकार है, you are unintentionally making him more stronger. And I think that's one of the reason why he won the elections again in 2019. Because everybody was against him. Every politician was against him. So do not say bad about others. वो अच्छी जगह है. See, for example, again on shadi.com, you met a new girl and she asked you why you broke up with your ex-girlfriend. अरे कितनी गंदी, तेरे को मालूम है कितनी बेकार थी वो. Oh my God, तेरे को मैं क्या बताऊं? I was bored with her. If you say you are bored with her, this means you are bound to get bored with a new girl as well. Fine. So never say she was bad. We didn't click. Yeah. Never say that job was bekar. Job was good. Yeah, this is an answer, ma'am. Even I have heard from a lot of people after working in IT for 2 years in MBA college. In the MBA interview, they say, "I want to change my field. MBA is bekar. IT is bekar. IT sector is dumb. IT sector is this. IT sector that." Boss, you have been dating a girl called IT for 4 years of engineering. You further dated her 2 more years. After 6 years of dating IT, if you're saying IT is not good, I want to shift, boss, this means something is wrong in you. Never say I know IT कितना बेकार है मुझे ही मालूम है. I worked in IT for 2 years before my MBA. But never say IT is बेकार. Never burn the bridges because you never know that guy might be from IT from IT background. Anyway, that's not important. But main thing is never say negative about the other people. आप अपनी अच्छाइयाँ दिखाओ ना. That's one of the biggest common mistake I think people do. They try to negate, say bad thing about others. I'll give you one example. I was interviewing one guy who was an electronics engineer. In
Mm.
his interview YMB, he said today's electronic market is crap. Whatever US products are being made are useless. Whatever China is doing is useless. Taiwan is useless. I am going to rebuild, reshape the complete electronics industry. तू तो पहले
Wow.
निकल बाहर, तू तो पहले निकल बाहर, तू पहले चेंज कर फिर आना यहाँ पे. See, you can't say they are bad. Fine. What are your validation? Mention those things. फिर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में जाना है, क्यों करने आ रहा है? So
Mm.
have you felt
True.
any bad example like this in your life, that when people have just said something which they should not have said?
Yes, all most of them. Okay. The point is, you know, why we should not crib in interviews. Okay, because then you are a problematic. You concentrate more on the problems. You are not a solution-oriented person. That is what I take it out of a person when somebody cribs about the ex company or the education system or मैं छोटे शहर से था, I could never get a chance around. So these are the problems everybody has faced some of the other time. Are you going to sit and crib about them, and because that's the reason you're not been able to do what you want to do, or are you going to say that in spite of this I still have learned out of it, and this is where I am today. So the idea why we should not crib about the ex employer or the industry, or मेरा शक्ल ही खराब है, या मेरे बाल ही अच्छे नहीं रहे लाइफ में, या फिर मेरी बंदी मेरे को छोड़ के चली गई, मैं क्या करूं. So these are all problems everybody faces. Okay, do not crib about it. Nobody wants to forget MBA. Nobody even wants to hire somebody at an entry level who is a cribber, because these are problematic people. These are huge problems in the character. Okay, so never complain about the role you were into. Okay, because that has 100% given you something. You can never, even if you broke up with a girlfriend of 4 years, that doesn't mean you have not learned out of it, right? You have learned something out of it for you to become a better boyfriend in the next relationship that you have, that he's saying, right? So cribbing is an absolute no-no. Do not be a cribber. No negativity. Look, the entire interview has to go in a positive direction. When we एक सूंघते भी ना हम लोग negative point, तो हमें लगता है because this, as I said, these are problem in character. I mean, creators around eventually. So do not crib. Use as much low as no, not, non. ये जो होते हैं ना words, you know, let it go out of your vocab when you're giving an interview. So no, he's right. No cribbing at all.
Superb, superb. Exactly, exactly. So, guys, the link is in the description box about our Telegram group where all of us are coming together for your interview call. So, please join that group if you've not yet done. And we're picking up one question every day and try to answer them so that by the time interviews come, your interviews will start in February. So, by the time we'll be prepared for that.
Oh, they're just there.
Yeah. Almost 1 week, 10 days max to max. See, now into the online interview will go very, very soon.
Okay.